wondered how companies know which employees are likely to leave, or how they identify their top performers? The answer is data. And the skill of using the data is known as HR analytics. If you are an HR student or someone interested in building a modern HR career, this video is for you. Today we will understand what HR analytics is and why it's matter, and what career opportunities it can open for you. Let's start with a simple question. What exactly is HR analytics? It's a simple thing. HR analytics is the process of collecting and analyzing employee data to make a better HR decisions. It's the only thing that matters. Instead of relying on just assumption or guesswork, HR professionals use data to understand what is happening in the workforce. For example, why employees are leaving, which training program actually improves performance. And HR analytics helps answer these questions using facts and data. That's a better thing. So, why is everyone suddenly talking about HR analytics? Because it's a growing, valuable business that is going up and highly valued, getting highly valued. Because businesses today want results. Companies don't want to make decisions based on guesswork, they want evidence. With HR analytics, organizations can predict employee turnover, increase employee engagement, and improve overall workforce productivity. Imagine knowing which employee might leave before they resign. That's the power of HR analytics. Now, let's talk about career. One of the most common role is an HR analyst. HR analyst collects data, create reports, and help management to make a better decisions. They do the most common works. And the second role is people analytics specialist. These professionals focuses on employee behavior, engagement, and workforce trends. The third option is HR data consultants. They organizations to solve HR challenges using data driven insights. As more companies become data driven, these roles are becoming highly increasingly valuable in today's market, as we all know. Before we end, let's clear up some common myths. These are my favorite myths. So, we can say the myth number one is the myths are the most best thing that I have ever heard. First is you need to be a data scientist to be an HR analyst. That's really, I think it's a humorous thing to be say. You don't need to be a data scientist. Many people just start with basic Excel and gradually learn advanced tools. That's all they have to do. Second is HR analytics is only for large companies. Not true. Companies of all sizes can benefit from HR analytics. Hiring, retentions, employee engagements, all these are can get any benefits from all the size of companies. The myth number 3. It replaces human judgment. That's basically not true. Data supports only